Hi! In front of me is Nokia 6300 2020 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it through Bluetooth. First of all, go into menu. Sorry. What happened? Okay, go into menu and access settings. Then choose network and connectivity, scroll down, tap on Bluetooth and select on if it's not already. Then you need to scroll down, choose nearby devices over here and wait for available ones to show up. Now select the one that you wish to connect to and click pair by tapping on this right button. Now we need to wait for your device to accept your connection request. And as you can see, my devices were successfully connected. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!